Ever wonder what color something is but could not quite tell? With Bixby Vision color detector, your Galaxy S25 Ultra can speak the color out loud. It's super useful if you have low vision or just want to know a precise color without guessing. To do so, open Camera app, tap More, then tap the Bixby Vision icon. At the bottom, make sure you are in the color detection section. Now, point your camera at any object and your phone will read the color aloud. Here, you can use the pause or play button to stop or resuming detection anytime.
Dark gray. Dark gray. Dark gray.
Given to the function, this feature will help you identify the exact color, which is super useful in situations where accuracy really matters. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.